Hi everyone, Melissa here. The time has come for me to draw a winner of the Hobby Lobby Challenge with Mo round three. And that was the hashtag I wanted you to use. And so this is the end of it. And I am going to draw that winner of my giveaway, which you will win. And let me show you what you're going to win. So you will get this. And you will get this. All right, and so let's show you who's going to be in the drawing. So we have Nalinka Sims, Gift Diva, you see why I'm a diva, Catherine Crafty Corner, So Good All, Memory Lane Keepsakes, those are from YouTube. These are from Instagram, I Scrap Memories, and Ramirez Castro. I think I pronounced that right. If I didn't, forgive me. All right, and so I'm going to just ball these up and throw them in there, shake it around a little bit, and we will have our winner.
All right, give me 1 second, and we will be right back. I didn't type them up this year. I just wrote them all down on a piece of paper, and I thought I would just draw the old-fashioned way. If you don't want to see me ball them up, skip ahead, because the winner will be at the end.
And then you can contact me at mizcherub@gmail.com. I'll have it come across the screen and just contact me. All right, let's see who our winner's gonna be. All right, let's just dig in here and see. I have one right here. Ramirez Castrillo, you must be a one that just bound to win this giveaway, because I think you won last year or the last one that I had. All right, so make sure you contact me. You can either contact me on Instagram, because I know you're on Instagram, and then I can get all of your information. So that's Mo_creations. I'll have that pop across the screen right there, so you can get my information and contact me, because I've moved since then, so I don't know for sure if I still have your address. So make sure you contact me. All right, and then I'll keep those in there, so if she doesn't contact me, and you have to contact me by Wednesday before midnight, and if you don't, then I'll draw somebody else. All right, thanks so much everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.